Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Cassava Sciences, and this is the long term chart of it. Although the overall trend after 2008 now it's been on the downside, but as one can see the kind of upside move we have in this chart. So from the lows it has already went up by 1400%, so it's indeed a multi-bagger rise. And looking at this trend looks like having lots of momentum and strength even right now, so we are going to discuss about that. So as you can see here, if you just start with in this trend, that the stock has been moving beyond this range. So this was your previous support, which probably acts as a resistance. Now with this breakout it will again be acting as a support right now. So let's start with that. Okay, but for the time being you need to understand the levels as well. So here we have, so let's start with the support levels. Okay, and so looking at the levels as the stock is staying above $11, 11.1 to be precise, so it's a trend breakout. Or if somebody wants to be a bit more safe, then one could look at this level, okay, where one can say that unless the stock moves above $13.4 and $13.5, then you will consider it as a breakout. Otherwise $11 will be a breakout for you. Now if the stock staying above $11, 11.1, then 11.1 will be your first line of support, below which you have your next support at 9.45, followed by 3.48 directly on the downside. Then we have 3.18 and we have 1.71, and finally the lowest end of the range will be 0.83. So as you can see, if things gets volatile again, so you have volatility which one need to take care of, so better you place your stop losses accordingly. Otherwise in negative scenarios the stock may move in both the direction. So now as you can see the current price and the way or the trend inside which it is currently into, that in between 11.1 and 13.4 will be a resistance and the stock is trading inside that. So if one need to think that 11 will be sufficient enough for them to call it as a breakout, then it is fine. Otherwise if some people are thinking then that 13.4 will be the level, then also it is fine. So both, in both terms it is fine. So it is up to the individual. Now if the stock started moving above 13.4, then you can see the real thing started happening. So above 13.4 you have certain levels to look at. Okay, so here we have, so let's look at these levels beyond 13.4. so if the stock is staying above 13.4 and makes a breakout above it, then you have your next target at $21. Furthermore you have $25 going up, you have $41, and it can go as high as $72 on the upside. But with a caveat that these are all levels which are not only, or which cannot only be your target but also be a probable resistance zone from where the stocks may falls back. And we are looking at a monthly chart, so each and every level has their own importance. So if you are thinking about certain levels, obviously what one need to do is need to retest or recheck the level once that particular X target has been reached or visited. So just be mindful of that, and you need not to do it on daily basis. Just probably follow the trend and place your or trail your stop losses accordingly. That would be fine. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.